What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on Yfii. And in today's video, guys, we do have another price update, price prediction on DFI money, which has been pumping in value over the last 24 hours. As you can see, 30% up, guys, quite consistently. Obviously, there was a major peak in value late last night, and then ever since then it's been slowly and steadily gaining value, and right now it is sitting at $1,236. So is it time to buy? Is it too late? Should you wait for it to drop back down in value? Should you sell it? That's what we're going to be going through in today's video, looking at both buyers and sellers' point of view and looking at where it's going to next. Is it going to drop back down? Is it going to keep going up in value, hitting the 1.5k target, or even hitting 2k like it did? Let's have a look here late last month, about 2 weeks ago. So yeah, and essentially giving you guys my prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022, looking at how high and how low DFI money can go. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are on the Coinbase website, and as you can see, it is the second top gainer in the last 24 hours. In the last hour itself, it managed to drop just about nearly 2% in value, and over the last day, 29%, over the week, 34%. As you can see, most of the time it was sitting just about $1,000, and then all up until late last night where it pumped up in value, and over the month is an overall 1,166% up, and it did hit 2.3k at one point just about 2 weeks ago. So going into the coin market cap website, here we can see the trading volume has gone up by a massive 271% in the last 24 hours, making it $296 million in trading volume, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on DFI money. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general just a lot of people trading the crypto, as it's been getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype. So we are going to see more people buying and selling the crypto as well. As you can see, 66% buy against 34% sell. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis, but for now I'm going to hide it, and I'm going to bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So on the top here, we've also got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, which is currently valuing DFI money at $997. However, it is trading at slightly higher value at just over 1.3k, meaning it is performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, and anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So let's get straight into it. Zooming into the 30-minute chart, we've got the blue line and the orange line looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning minimal drops in value are expected over the coming hours. However, that doesn't mean we're going to be seeing red candles consistently for the next 12-14 hours. Of course not. Again, as I keep mentioning in most of my videos, whenever you see a crypto doing a huge percentage increase in a short amount of time, exactly like what's happened here, it has to take a little dip, it has to take a little breather, and the exact same applies to DFI money. So I'm expecting it to drop in value, but again, also peaks are also part of the process. I'm expecting it to go past the 1.3k target, or even hitting just about 1.4k before, it starts to drop back down in value, going below the $1,100 mark towards the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. I'm expecting it to head down towards the, again, about the 1k to 1.1k, somewhere around here. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? Still not looking too great. We've still got the orange line and the blue line looking bearish. Yes, I know it looks like they are going in a straight line, but guys, well, they were going in a bullish direction, and right now they are slowly starting to fluctuate out and then head towards the negative direction. So over the coming days, do expect it to drop below the $1,100 mark, potentially hovering around the $1,000 mark is what I'm expecting. So the next few days, I mean, let's say over the next 7-8 days, so towards the end of next week, we should be back to around what the $1,000 mark. But again, in between that time, it will be volatile. We are going to see green days, we are going to see red days. It's going to be up and down, but the overall outcome is what that matters right now. An overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side over the next couple of days. Now, moving on to the big boy daily chart, what can we see here? Finally looking bullish, guys. We've got the blue line and the orange line going in a positive direction. Yes, they are not looking too steep, they are just about slanting towards a positive direction, which is good. The only reason for that is, do expect it to gain value over the coming weeks. But again, it's not going to be a major bull run or a price pump or anything like that. There's going to be minimal increases in value over time. So by mid-August to late August, we should be at around 1.7 to 1.8k. However, we've still got a good 6-7 weeks left for that time, and anything can happen between that time. We can see Bitcoin dropping to 10-15k, or we can see Bitcoin going up to about 30-40k. Again, it depends on how volatile the crypto market is, if there's any crashes, any major pumps, so on and so on. So I will make sure to keep you guys updated. However, if you guys want to get updated on a daily basis on Bitcoin, on what my predictions are, what my takes are, is it moving in a bullish, bearish direction every single day, and what price target is likely to hit, and want to find out what cryptos I'm buying and selling, all you guys need to do is join my Telegram group chat, which I will leave a link to in the description box down below. It is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this discount code here is only valid for the first 100 members that join, and over half the spaces have already gone, so there is literally a limited amount of space left before it jumps back up to $29.99. So just to give you guys a clear image on what's going to take place once you sign up, you're going to get put into two group chats. One is where I'm showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. The other one is just a general chat where you guys can ask questions, discuss cryptocurrencies, new projects, and that is also where I give you guys daily updates on Bitcoin every single morning on what to expect, where it's heading to, what its target is likely to hit. Obviously, this is an old screenshot from about late May when Bitcoin was trading at 29k, and I also give you guys predictions on different cryptocurrencies that you guys request for in the group chat. But yeah, any questions, any queries you guys may have before you sign up, simply send me a DM on Instagram and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. If not, once again, the link is in the description box down below. So let's get straight into it. Back to the DFI money chart with the Fibonacci scale. As you can see, we are trading in the red zone and have been trading in the red zone since, let's have a look here, earlier this year. So January 2022 is when we dropped into the red zone, and ever since then we've just been getting worse and worse and worse, and hit a lowest point last month. Mid last month is when we hit a lowest point, peaked all the way back up to nearly hitting the green zone, dropped back down, and right now slowly starting to pick up value. But essentially, for us to hit the green zone, we're going to have to hit at least about 2.5k in target, which is just over double its value what it's worth at the moment. And for us to hit that target, again, it's going to take quite a while. I'm expecting us to hit the green zone early September to mid-September. But again, as I mentioned, the crypto market has been very volatile. So the only way to find out is to keep you guys updated. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notifications. But for now, anyway, for the next month, 2 months, 2.5 months, it's very likely we are going to stay in the red zone, all up until we start to slowly and steadily gain value and follow a similar pattern to Bitcoin. As you can see, Bitcoin is up today and most cryptos are also positive. But yeah, if you guys want to stay updated on DFI money, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll try and keep you guys updated on a regular basis, at least 2 to 3 times a week on this crypto. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. Just a quick one on DFI money. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave it a like, and also a massive thank you and a massive shout out to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and you're supporting the channel in any way or form. So thank you guys so much for all your support. Keep subscribing and I'll keep giving back, and that is the motive on this channel. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.